Lastly, as we come to the vocabulary for Chapter 10, you will note that many, if not all of these words, are various particles. And a quick word about memorization of vocabulary. These particles are extremely common in the language, and therefore it is well worth the time to memorize them. You will likely find, however, that it will take more effort to memorize these particles than nouns or verbs. The reason is because it's a somewhat arbitrary distinction. There's very little differentiation that helps you understand or helps you remember the glosses for these words. So you may expect to spend more time on the vocabulary for Chapter 8 than you have on previous vocabulary lists before it clicks and you get it. Of any piece of vocabulary, Chapter 8's vocabulary is an illustration of the maxim that repetition is the mother of learning. So the vocabulary words are as follows. A or aye, where. Ake or aka, how. Ain, the particle of non-existence, there is not or are not. Ate or et, the definite direct object marker, but also ate or et, the preposition with. El, the preposition to or toward. Achar or acharei, which can be a preposition or an adverb indicating after or behind. Batok, the preposition in the middle of, in the midst of. Bain, the preposition between. Hine, the particle of immediacy, which we often will choose not to translate, but used to be translated behold. Yesh, the particle there is or are, the particle of existence. Lama'an, the preposition indicating on account of or for the sake of. Lifnei, the preposition before or in front of. Mi, the interrogative who or whom. Ma'al, the preposition above. Ma, the interrogative what. Na, the particle of address, often left untranslated. Im, the preposition glossed with. Ad, the preposition glossed as until or as far as. Al, on, upon, or on account of. Al davar, because or on account of. And finally, tachat, the preposition glossed as under.